Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify cross-browser UI fixes with Sauce Labs, full guide step-by-step clearly. Start by logging into your Sauce Labs account. Navigate to the Sauce Labs dashboard. Select the Live option from the main menu. Choose the browser and operating system combination you want to test. Click on Launch to open a new testing session. Once the browser loads, enter the URL of the application you want to verify. Inspect the user interface on your application. Take note of any UI fixes that need verification. Use the built-in tools to interact with your application. Test different screen sizes and resolutions using the available options. Switch between browser versions to ensure consistency. Document any discrepancies you encountered during testing. Utilize Sauce Labs screenshot feature to capture visual evidence of UI issues. At this stage, you can report the findings to your development team. If necessary, run automated tests to further ensure UI integrity. After debugging, repeat the manual testing process. Confirm that all UI fixes are functioning as intended across all platforms. Once satisfied with the results, conclude your testing session. Log out of your Sauce Labs account once you're done. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.